Call it ICICI Bank's big U-turn, or the minimum balance backlash, or the bank just listening to valuable customer feedback. Call it what you want. But the fact of the matter is that the decision has been changed from ICICI Bank. So the ICICI Bank has now revised its minimum balance requirement altogether for saving accounts opened after August 1st, 2025, following public criticism after significantly increasing this minimum balance amount. ICICI Bank has now revised its minimum balance requirement for new saving account holders after massive backlash to rupees 15,000 now. So that really is the amount that is now taking effect. The bank was at the receiving end, remember, of critics after increasing this minimum required balance amount altogether, and now they have taken this move to change it. And this, remember, is for saving account holders with effect from August 1st, 2025. So ICICI Bank has stated, and I quote, they have said, we had introduced new requirements for the monthly average balance, minimum average balance amount for new saving account holders opened from August 1st, 2025. Following valuable feedback from our customers, we have now revised these requirements altogether to better reflect their expectations and preferences altogether. So the rupees 50,000 minimum balance move was heavily opposed by account holders, many of whom even took to social media to register their protest and to make their voice heard altogether. So now what has happened apart from this, in semi-urban regions, the bank has required a minimum savings account balance of 7,500 rupees now. And ICICI Bank has said that the minimum monthly average balance for rural areas is now going to be rupees 2,500, which is lower than the previous requirement for rural customers and what that requirement earlier was. If customers do not maintain the revised minimum account balance, they will be charged 6% of this shortfall, remember, which is required, or rupees 500, whichever of the two is lower. Now remember, RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra has said, when asked about the minimum account balance requirement, that the RBI has left it to individual banks on the minimum balance that they want to set. And so this move, really, many are seeing as a massive U-turn from ICICI Bank, or some are saying that, look, after the massive backlash, they have at least heard the voice of the customers.